Good morning. We're having here our last breakfast in Trinidad. It's perfect time, 7:30. After this we're gonna meet our two friends and drive together to Santa Clara.
And what happened last night?
Blackout. Yeah, that's
Blackout of electricity in the city and blackout to us because we fell asleep. And we didn't do anything. We fell asleep at
very early.
10
or so.
until this morning.
We left Trinidad and we were ready to cover a distance of 97 kilometers all the way to Santa Clara, with a short stop in Hacienda Ingenio Manacaesnaga, which is part of the famous Valley de Los Ingenios, or Valley of the Sugar Mills. It was founded in 1750 and bought in 1795 by Pedro Iznaga, who became one of Cuba's wealthiest men through slave trafficking. I think you would push this like that, and as you go around, the liquid would come from there.
Very good. You're hired. It's a very beautiful place.
It is.
And we are lucky we are making a stop with our taxi driver to see that. Thanks to the guys, of course, huh?
Thanks to the guys because they've been here yesterday. Next to the hacienda, a 44-meter high tower was used to watch the enslaved people. The bell in front of the house served to announce the beginning and the end of the working day.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola,
¿Qué tal?
Katia. Bienvenidos.
Hola.
Buenas. Adelante.
Desde Trinidad y
Me había dado cuenta de que venía
sorpresa llegar aquí, que aquí al mismo sitio.
bien.
Ah, pues.
Hello, so this is our room here in Santa Clara. We just arrived about an hour before. We were having a talk with our host and now we're going out very quickly.
Now we're gonna walk and tour around the city.
Hi there, this is Mark from Valencia, Spain. We are here enjoying this amazing trip, Cuba. I recommend you to come to Cuba.
I'm in Santa Clara. I don't speak English, so je parle mieux français s'il y a besoin. Y nada, y vamos a ver la ciudad y a disfrutar del día.
You can see the prices.
563. Wow, a can of.
Wow,
It's so expensive.
Yeah.
€5 for wow.
it's more expensive than
Then you.
Che's Mausoleum in Santa Clara houses the remains of Che Guevara, and it is his final resting place. Underneath Che's statue, there's a small museum and memorial which occupies a U-shaped room and provides a summarized overview of Che's life from his birthplace in Argentina and death in Bolivia in 1967.
I'm sweating.
How hot is it?
It's like 30 degrees, but it's like the humidity that makes the difference. The humidity is like 70%, I don't know.
¿Qué cambio? So we are in the Bodeguita del Medio. We are having lunch now before our walking tour. This is lobster in a tomato sauce, which supposedly is very good according to our host. This is bean soup in a sense with white rice. The famous ropa vieja, which is cow meat in a tomato sauce. Mandioca. This is called arroz moro, which is like cooked white rice with beans. Vaca frita, which is similar to ropa vieja but without the sauce. And also the lobster.
We are waiting for the free walking tour
Ese es el de ellos, ¿no?
to start, to go around Santa Clara and learn a bit more about the history and stuff like that. We had a delicious meal. We had a few drinks as well. We enjoyed our time. And now we hope we won't get rain during our walking tour. We'll see.
Our next stop was Parque del Carmen, where the city was founded and where a decisive battle took place between Batista's forces and the rebels led by Che Guevara. You can still see nowadays bullet holes in the walls of the surrounding buildings and in the famous grey marble monument which surrounds the tamarind tree. We continued until the train station. The first wooden building burned to the ground in 1895, and it was rebuilt by Marta Abreu, and so the city decided to rename that building after her. We stopped at the Tren Blendado Monument, which consists of a couple of wagons located in a small square. This is where Che Guevara led a group to derail an armored train that was carrying Batista's soldiers and supplies in 1958. Inside the wagons, there's a display of artifacts and facts about the battle, which are closed in the afternoon, so go in the morning to catch it open. There's also the yellow bulldozer that Che Guevara and his men used to derail the train.
This is the statue of Che Guevara, famous all over the world. Has a lot of details. It was built by a Spanish sculptor with bronze that was given by the people from Santa Clara to build a sculpture, and it has different details that represent who he was and what he meant for the people of Santa Clara and the revolution.
Some details. The cigar, the strong arms, the books that he was always reading.
You can compare with something. You can see here,
have
right?
small
Right. Yeah?
Vagina.
Like a book. Ah, yeah,
Tabuba.
something,
Yeah.
something close, yeah. The name of this flower is Clitoria ternata.
Clitoria?
Clitoria ternata. It's the real name, you know? For that reason, Miguel, what happened with you?
We ended our tour at the Loma del Capiro hill. This hill was used by Che Guevara as a hideout and command center to invade the city during the Cuban Revolution. There's a monument at the top commemorating the battle. From there you can see the whole city.
We just came out walking with the guys and we are looking for a place to have dinner, but it's 10, which is a bit late for dinner, so we will check what are our options.
Llegan aquí, doblan así, en la primera cuadra. Después que pasan el parquecito, que se llama el Parque de las Arcadas. Ahí está la pérgola y hay otro.
Vale.
Ya, por favor, que tengan buenas noches.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Buenas noches.
So what is happening?
We are still hunting for a place to eat, and a very nice man from a hotel restaurant just offered to help us because, as he said, it's his duty to be, a good host in his country for his visitors. So,
Very good.
very nice. Let's see. Fingers crossed.
Set up. Sangrito.
Nos vamos a tener.
Sí, de las 9 de la noche. Y veo, los trabajos estamos de afuera.
Vale.
Gracias.
hemos visto. ¿Qué tienes para comer así envasado?
¿Envasado?
Bueno, que tengas en general. ¿Cuándo has ido?
Son dos años.
Vale, ok. ¿Queréis o...?
Crackers, en serio.
Muy bien.
Cocktail in a coffee cup. Caipirinha.
It's a Cuba Libre. Cheers.
And this one?
It's a Coke, I think. I think it's a Coke.
No, but you have to say how did they sell it to you. Cuba Libre without rum.
Cuba Libre without rum. And without glasses. Without ice because it's...
Ah, yeah.
I like this one. So I can drink it like...
You don't touch, you don't fuck.
It's Spanish.
In Spanish. If you don't touch the table... Ah, perdón. Si no apoyas, no follas.
Y quien no recorre, no se corre. Y por la Virgen de Guadalupe, si no llego, que me la chupe. This is from Andalucía. Bueno, tenía una amiga de Andalucía.
It's another level. It's another level.
Something that I legislate this all the time. Y por la Virgen de Guadalupe. Por la Virgen de Guadalupe. Si no llego, que me la chupe.
La noche, the alternative night in Santa Clara.
Santa Clara.
El Mejunje.
We finished our night in this club, a place you must try when in Cuba if you want to see Cubans having fun with other music other than salsa.
Oh, the camera!
Hey guys, that's fine though.
Por ahí adelantaremos.
Are you ready for the next bar?
I understood what she did. I understood what she did because I give you my image.
Sell your image.
Such a
Boy.
oh boy.